Hello students, in the physical education we are going to study already significance of physical education. Now we are move on to the chapter 2, it is volleyball. This lesson complete after I will send you that classwork you need to write. Okay, before that, what is that volleyball game? You already well know that. Before that, you need to know what is the history and what are the equipments, means things you are using, what is that court measures, and what is the rule of the game you need to know. Okay, so first, what is that history, that who invented it? This volleyball game was invented by William G. Morgan. Okay, it is not in our country, in the United States. Okay, so first of all, they not use any ball to for this. Okay, they're going to just roll the cloth and that make as a ball and they're going to play. Okay, just they're going to tie the thread and they're going to play. Okay, after that continuation, after that one association, that is YMCA, that means Young Men's Christian Association, they going to make a popular and also they going to establish their game by internationally in the world. Okay, which is that name, association name YMCA, Young Men's Christian Association. Okay, they going to establish, then after they going to make a turn in the FIVB in the 1947 year. They going to make as a internationally, that will be by FIVB, means Federation of International Volleyball. Okay, this is one game they going to introduce to our country. Okay, so how is it court is here? See, you can see, no, this court, it should be in a rectangular. See, you can see, no, this like it should be an rectangular court. It will be long will be 18 meter and width will be 9 meter. Okay, so 18 meter long, I told, no, that should be divided equally in the two part. 9 meter, 9 meter. Extra they going to take as here 3.5 meter, 3.5 meter. Okay, side, this side also they will take a 3.5. That is a service area. Okay, one man they going to do the first service. No, that area they will take here too. Okay, how much is that? Long, if they ask, means 18 meter, remember. Width is 9 meter. Extra service area they will take on 3.5 meter. Apart from that, they are going to fix here that pole. Okay, here that is a center. It should be 9 meter. 18 meter long taken, no? There is a 9 meter. From this center to is there 3 meter. 3 meter. Away from this service, here end line to 6 meter. Here to here, if you measure, means 6 meter. End to here. Okay, center line. Okay, I told, no, there's 3 meter here separating. There's make a two part of the each part. Okay, so totally it is 18 meter. They're going to divide it into 9 meters. From that 9, this is a center line, remember. Okay, there they're going to fix the pole. Okay, so net here. From that center line to 3 meter they are going to take, no. Here also we can see, no, two part equally, not equally. Here equal is there, but here this is a front zone and back zone, remember. Front zone they will be, yeah, here front zone, back zone. They here too they going to do the service area, this is. Okay, so here to center line 9 meter, center line to here 3 meter, here to here how many? 6 meter. Okay, so this is a measurement of the volleyball court. So next, how they are going to play with that? Here they are going to use a totally 6 players in one side, 6 players, and this side 6 substituents, opponent team. Okay, so 6 players they going to stand, which like means here 3 members, here 3 members. Among these 3 members back side, from 3 members in the front. Same like here also in the opponent team also 3 members in the front zone, 3 members in the back zone they will stand. Okay, one man they going to serve the ball. How they going to serve the ball means they going to toss the coin first. Who will win, they going to serve the ball. Okay, they will be one man they're going to serve the ball, no, that to the opponent team above the net. Then that ball opponent team it will be reaches, no. In that opponent team there will be a 6 players are there, right? So in that they can hit the ball only 2 members, only 3 chances for them, 3 touches. Among them only they are going to pass the ball to the another team here. See, I will show, no, that is here like this rectangular court. In that 18-meter long, it should be a 9-meter wide. Okay, that is a center line. 9 it is dividing 9 centimeter. That is a center line. Okay, center line to they going to make another one line, right? So that is called attacking line. Attacking line here. This is attacking line, center line. In both the side it is dividing, right? One team here, one team they will be play. Okay. This attacking line, okay, make a 2 zones, front zone, back zone. Okay. So it is 3 centimeter. This here to here 3.5. That is a service area here. Okay. Okay. Next, up of that they are going to fix the, I told, no, net they are going to fix here. That net will be fixed to the pole, and here there will be a white band will be there. Above that pole, that net they are going to fix the antenna here. Okay, so I told you, know, what are the things they are going to use: ball, net, pole, this is, and that net above they are going to fix the pole. Okay, they are going to fix that. Each length will be different. For men it is 2 meter 43 centimeter. For women it will be, for women will be 2 meter 24. It is a less than the boys. Okay, above that net they are going to fix the antenna. This is also another equipment they are going to fix. That is 80 centimeter long above that net. Okay, 80 centimeter long will be there. So that antenna will be 80 centimeter above there. Okay, so then after here there will be a 6 players I told you, each one dividing. There first one they are going to serve the ball. Here you can see, no, how we are going to serve the ball. Apart from the court they are going to serving the ball to the opponent. Like this they are going to serve the ball. If it is touch it, that is a foul game. Okay, so that above the net only it should be pass. Okay, how it is they are going to fix the net and antenna and pole, you can observe here, right? So then they are going to serving the ball here, that they are going to scoring the points. If it is touched means they are going to lose the points. There will be a 25 scores. Each points are there. They will play in 3 ways. Which one they are going to make a point more, they will win the match. Okay, like that they will get the chance. See, 25 points if we get, they will going to win the match. Okay, so here they are going to, if it is touch the ground also they lose the point. If it is touch the net also they are going to lose the point if they are going to eating time. Okay, they are going to get the point what, 0. Okay, so how is serving, you can see, no, service after opponent team they are going to have a 3 chance. Okay, so here you can see, right? So opponent team only they are going to touch with the 3 members only. When he is going to serving, right, here 3 mans only can touch. If it is 4th one touch means they will lose the point that game. And this line you can 6 members are standing, no, they can change in their number. That is called rotation. Okay, 1 2 2 3 4 5 like that. This like they are going to change their place. One man if is standing in this position means they are going to exchange their place. Okay, every losing 10 time that team they have a chance to change its place. This is called what, rotation of the. So this rotation one, and wow, that court measurement, this is important diagram. You have to practice this with the measurement. Okay, So about this volleyball game, you need to draw the diagram, and also you need to know this rotation and what are the equipments, things they are used. That is also important. Okay, so complete your classwork and send me the picture.